between 100 to the power of 22 and 30 to the power of 50, which is greater? There's only one way to find out, except with the use of calculator. There's only one way to find out. Now, the only way we can do this is to introduce our logarithm, okay? So if we introduce logarithm to this system, we can be able to simplify it such that we can know which is what bigger than the other. So let's do that quickly. So now, let's introduce logarithm to this. So we have log 100 to the power of 22. And from one of the laws of logarithm, it said that log a to the power of b is equals to b log a. And that's because the power or the exponent will be multiplying what? The logarithm, okay? So multiply the exponent by the logarithm. So let's do that here. So we can now say log 100 to the power of 22 is equals to 22 log 100, okay? Now, from this expression, we can now express log 100 to the power of 22 to be 22 log 100. And log 100 is actually 2, right? Because this is the base, this is to the base of 10. So that implies that we have 22 multiplied by what? 2. Okay? So 22 multiplied by 2 will get 44. Log 100 to the base of 22 is what? 44. Okay, so let's do the same for 30 to the base of 50, to the power of what? 50. Okay, let's do for 30 exponent 50 or to the power of 50. So we're going to be introducing logarithm. So we'll say log 30 to the power of 50. From the same law of logarithm that we used, we can now say this is 50. Okay, this is 50 log 30. Now, log 30 can still be expressed as log 3 times 10. Okay, so we can now have 50 log 3 times 10. And according to one of the laws of logarithm, we have log a multiplied by b to be equals to log a plus log b. Okay, so we are going to be expressing this in this form. Okay, now let's do that quickly. Remember that all these things we are doing, we are simplifying it. Okay, now that implies that we will now have 50, open your parentheses, because we are about to express log 3 times 10 as log 3 plus log 10. Okay, now don't forget that both of them are in the base of 10. Naturally, logarithm is in the base of 10. Please do not forget that logarithm is in the base of what? 10 naturally. So let's continue. Now, log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. And log 3 base 10 is equals to 0.4771. If you are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and give it a subscription, okay? And also do well to share this video to your friends and relatives. Now, how do we do this? Now that we have recorded that log 10 base 10 is 1 and log 3 base 10 is 0.4771, okay? We can now substitute such here. We now have 50 into 0.4771 plus 1. Okay, so in that case, we'll have 50 into 1 plus 0.4771. Okay, right? By the time we add this, we should get 1.4771 exactly. So now let's multiply 50 multiplied by 1.4771. So by the time we multiply 50 by 1.4771, we'll get 73.85. Okay, so this means that log 30 base 50 is 73.85. From the look of things, we have gotten log 100 to the power of 22. So that means log 30 to the base of 50 is 73.85. Now, from the look of things, comparing these two things, you can see that 73.85 is greater than 44, right? And in conclusion, we can now say from this logic or from this particular expression that 30 to the power of 50 is actually greater than 100 to the power of 22. So it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.